Hi there, Nancy Muller here, the one and only Empowerment Sensei. Today I wanted to talk to you about your personal best. What that means to me is that every person on this earth is here to do something that only they can do, something that is specific to you. And I am dedicating this video today to a woman that I was speaking with a couple days ago who's having some challenges in her life. Um, you are amazing. You are so good at what you do, and you are so passionate about what you do. You're empathetic, you're compassionate, you listen to people, you hear their needs, and you are truly, truly amazing. And you are doing your personal best. You are living the dream. You are more successful than you even give yourself credit for, because you are out there doing what it takes day after day after day to follow your heart, follow your dream. And that's why you're so good at what you do. And this message is for you and for everyone that's listening. I want you to really take heed today and listen to this message, because if there's someone in your life that's telling you, forget it, give up, stop worrying about it, stop thinking that you can do better than you are, just admit it, you're as far as you can go. For everyone that has someone like that in their life, I promise you, let that go. Because those people are probably people who haven't done what it is that they came here to do. They have not yet realized that their personal best. And rather than look internally, rather than look in the mirror and figure out their own stuff, it's easier for them to go after someone else. And it's not necessarily that they're doing it because they're trying to give you grief, or they're trying to be mean, or they're trying to be ugly people. People just don't stop and think sometimes about their own stuff going on in their head and how they bring it out and dump it onto other people. So I want you to know, when you're following your heart, when you're doing what it is that you truly, truly love, and you're putting your personal best out there for the world to see, you can't help but win. You can't help but be an amazing person. And I am so grateful that you're in my life. I am so grateful that we had a chance to have this conversation the other day, and that it gave me the inspiration for this video today, because I think there are a lot of people who are really trying to do their very, very best in their personal best, but they feel so put upon by others and they question themselves. So for all of you who maybe that fits somewhere where you are right now, I will say to you, give yourself permission to let that go. Give yourself permission to just let those people who are trying to harsh your mellow, that's what my brother used to say, let those people go. It's okay. You are being your awesome you. And that's what makes you so special. We all come from love and light, and we are all headed for love and light. And everything that we do in between, we can choose to struggle. We can choose to let the words of others bring us down and cause us grief or cause us to doubt ourselves. Or we can choose to say, I think that person has a perceptual handicap. You be you, because you are amazing. No one else can do what you do. We can have 70 people lined up doing the exact same occupational choice, but everyone's going to do it different. So know that what you're doing, you're bringing your purpose, you're bringing your passion, you're bringing your love for life, you're bringing your love for you. How can you fail? It's impossible. It is impossible. You are amazing. So whoever it is, your mother, your father, your boss, your husband, your kids, a friend, whoever it is that you are struggling to just keep your head above water because you just feel like no one understands you and no one really knows how hard you're trying, please hear this message. You're already amazing. You're already more successful than half the people on this earth, because you are stepping into your personal best and doing what it is that you came here to do. If anyone's having any struggles with this, click on the link, check out the Sensei sessions, see if there's any way that I can help you. Maybe just comment within this video. Let others know how you're making sure that the words and actions and choices and comments of others is just rolling off your back and you're not letting it stop you, because it takes a village. It really does. And if there's anything that I can do to help, please let me know. And remember, life is all about choices. You can choose to allow someone to pull you away from your personal best, or you can choose to say, no, I'm going to stay on this path. I'm going to stay true to me, because in the end, when I lay my head down at night, that's the only person I have to answer to. I hope that you feel the love in this message, and I hope that you know how special you are. And I am so, so, so happy that you're in my life and I had the chance to talk to you and that you inspired this video today. So for all of you watching, this is Nancy Muller saying ciao for now.